Yo, what up, guys? How's it going? Okay, I'm back with another video. You guys are like, wait a second, he's alive? He's still posting? Yeah. I did take a 7th-month break, and my summer's almost over. But I thought, okay, I did build this computer over the summer, so I thought I'd do just a quick review on YouTube about my process, my experience, as well as some things you guys could look out for if you're building a computer. So number one, let me just talk about my channel. You guys can skip a minute and if you guys don't want to hear about like what I've been doing on the channel. But so my plan is when Madden Overdrive comes out, I will try to upload some videos. That is my goal. I'm really impressed with the way it looks. I did want to tell you that, guys, that the trailer looks nice, graphics look nice. I wasn't really looking forward to this game. I haven't looked forward to many mobile games, but this one was nice. This one was nice. For sure, yeah. Yeah, for sure, just looking forward to this game. I will try to be uploading some content. We'll see how the promos are, see how everything is this year for the free market. Yeah, we just have to wait and see, though. Alright, anyway, let's get into the computer portion of this video. So, here you guys got a BenQ G-Sync monitor. In terms of the keyboard and mouse, to be honest, I did just get it off Amazon. Got both of them for $20. They run smoothly. I'm not really into the mouse or anything. I didn't want to spend extra on getting fancy. Both RGB though, so that's cool. Alright, so the final, the real deal is the PC. Case by Thermaltake. So let me just show you guys quickly inside. You got 3 on the left. We have 3 case fans, a lot of wiring. And let me just do this really quickly. Yeah, so that is that. Here, I'll do it one more time as well, just for you guys to take a look on this side. Alright. Hopefully you guys got a good look. I'll make sure that you guys did. Yeah, so basically that's the computer, the PC I built. Built it in about 5-6 hours with some help from my parents. Pretty excited. And it wasn't that hard as I had previously thought. Really wasn't. So let me just talk about some components. Processor i7, CPU fan, just a stock Intel fan. I did buy another one, but didn't use that because this one's fine, honestly. I do have a Corsair though, H105, that I could implement. I'm thinking about using that, so you might. If I do, I'll definitely make a video on that process. Oh, the most important part, the graphics cards. So NVIDIA actually, not NVIDIA, Amazon actually had a deal and with NVIDIA that gave a $30 rebate if you got a 1080. So I actually did get the NVIDIA GeForce 1080. Yeah, so it's a super cool graphics card with Madden coming around now. Finally, Return to the PC. I looked at the specs. Specs are really low. Should be able to run really, really well on my computer. I might get some gameplay out, although I don't really know if you guys want to watch real Madden. I meant real Madden. I meant Madden PC, like console Madden versus overdrive. Yeah, you guys can let me know in the comments whatever you guys think about that. Let's see, what else we got? 1080, i7, 32 gigs of RAM. Yeah, just that's pretty basic. Got the BenQ. So basically my thoughts on the whole experience. So definitely do your research. It might be hard from the beginning. I started off on a website called PC Parts Picker. They really helped out. There was like some people had pre-made builds and I just used that and went with it, gave my own ways, made some adjustments. As you know, the motherboard didn't work, some stuff didn't work, but we made our way. The monitor and stuff is different, but yeah, that one of the PC parts guides, there's tons. People put it up all the time. Always helps. My only experience is if you want to buy it, definitely go to like a Fry's or something and buy it. Only because it's like these parts, you know, if you ship them, you never know what condition they're in. They might be fried. Like my motherboard was fried, and if if you buy it in store, make sure the boxes aren't open. That's one mistake I made, was like, we knew the boxes were open, but we still got it. We got really lucky, we tested it. But, jeez, how we not tested it, we would have been dead, so that's a problem. Anyway, just make sure to test your boxes. Sorry guys, I'm trying to think about what to say. There's a lot that went on. I had fun building it though, I'll tell you that much. I really did enjoy it. Super fun experience, and the end result is even better. Looking to run some nice games on here. The one thing I did have, the wiring is super important. My dad and I were really careful when building that. But the graphics card, I was playing some FIFA and it was like super loud. I'm like, why is this super, like, obviously it makes noise, and fans, stuff like that, they make noise. So I'm like, okay, it's supposed to be loud. But this thing just kept going, and when I turned the games off, it still kept going and being loud. So I knew something was wrong. Apparently it was like barely touching a wire. And that wire, like, because of the vibrations, that caused all the noise, which is crazy. So just for you guys to know. So yeah, just a quick guide on that. Amazon, though, I do recommend using them. Just you have to really be careful. You're gonna take a risk. I'm not really sure in the refund policy, but I mean, I got the GeForce perfectly fine. Other people have gotten GeForce, has had some problems, but yeah. So let me just, now that the PC portion is done, you guys can click off. Thank you for joining me. I'm just going to talk a little bit about why I took 7 months off. Okay, so first of all, it was a Thanksgiving time. I really am into promos, and I really did enjoy making content, but I just noticed all these promos were copy and paste, as Men mostly says, copy and paste, and I really did feel that. Yeah, I mean, I'm not a fan of, I'm not a fan of just the same promo. I like this Thanksgiving, Christmas, all that stuff. That's awesome. The snowflakes or whatever, the turkey. But if it's just the same thing, it's really not fun at all. And I just wasn't having a lot of fun, to be honest. That's why I didn't make the videos. I just didn't feel like it. Then though, I had to deal with college stuff, SAT subject test, as well as just classes. They was just busy. So didn't have any time. The game wasn't really fun to me after the holidays, and I'm just like, okay, I don't know what to upload. As I've seen from a lot of YouTubers were all struggling on what to upload. So yeah, I did want to say though, I will be doing Madden Overdrive. I will be uploading videos. I'll try to be doing guides, really whatever I can, just to help out. Hopefully you guys watch that though. I can do some console, I think. If you guys want to, I'm sorry, PC now. What am I saying? PC. If you guys want to see some PC, I can do that. In case you're interested, just let me know if you are. I'll do that. That should actually end this video. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. And last thing. So during the summer, why I haven't been uploading, I have been watching the FIFA World Cup. I will do a video. I promise you, I will do a video. What I thought about the FIFA World Cup, the biggest upsets we almost had, and the biggest shockers, actually, the biggest shockers that did occur, because we had a lot of games almost an upset, and a lot of games that for example, you take Group B, we almost had Iran winning that whole group of death with Morocco, Portugal, and Spain, but yeah, they were just 1 point off, unfortunately, from winning that. And I'll talk about all that stuff in probably my next video. Alright, thank you guys for watching. See you. Bye.